morning. Praise the Almighty God for a new day, for life, most importantly. We are live in Liberia. Again, my name is Caroline Cooker, and the name of the channel is Prosperity TV. All right, I came to Liberia a little over 2 months, about 3 months now. I think since August. I'm not even counting. But I'm here to stay after about over 30 years in the state. So here we are this morning. I'm just about to harvest my pepper. Okay, I'm about to harvest the pepper. So I'm going to take you along for a short minute. In the meantime, just glaze around while I get my bucket. I'm going to get the bucket right here. And yeah. All right, here we go. To harvest the pepper, follow me. Here we are. Show them the pepper. Show them the pepper. So this is where we are, and this is harvest time. I will show it to them. I want to take time. I'm using my hand, no tools, of course. Can you see it? And then we're going to come here. Okay. We have more. We're not just going to do the red ones. Yeah, we're going to. And these peppers are very spicy. Very, very spicy. I tasted them already. Alright, I'm borrowing Brother Sam's time. You gotta zoom. Ooh, I don't want to break any branches. You gotta show the people that this is real, because sometimes people may be faking it, but this is a real channel and this is real harvest. Can you zoom underneath here and see? Yeah, this is beautiful. I'm taking some green ones too, if they are mature, because it's okay to lighten the burden of the tree, the pepper tree.